All right, let's talk about getting your first job in AI. You know that feeling, right? That you need some kind of advanced computer science degree just to get your foot in the door? Well, today we're going to show you how to break into the AI industry without writing a single line of code. Let's jump right in. So, do you really think you need to be a coding genius to land a job in the world of AI? Seriously, think again. That is one of the biggest myths out there. The AI world needs so much more than just engineers. It needs the unique skills that you already have. Okay, first things first, let's get a quick reality check. We're going to cut through all the noise and look at what the real opportunities are for non-coders in the AI job market. And look, this isn't just my opinion, this is coming straight from industry guides. They're making it crystal clear. A technical background is not a requirement for a ton of AI roles. The door is open way wider than you probably think. So why does this matter so much right now? Because a whopping 75% of companies are already using AI. This isn't some trend that's on the horizon, it's happening right now. And the demand for people who are just plain AI savvy is absolutely exploding. So the big question is, where do you actually fit in? Well, you've got your AI engineers, right? They're the ones building the core models from the ground up. Super coding intensive. But then you have these other absolutely crucial roles. There are the AI-adjacent pros, think marketers, designers, you name it, who use AI tools in their day-to-day jobs. And then you have the AI-powered business roles. These are the strategists who guide the company's entire AI direction. We're going to be focusing on those last two. So here's the bottom line, the main takeaway for today. You absolutely 100% can work in AI without code. The secret, though, is finding those specific roles that are designed to leverage your unique skills, whether that's strategy, creativity, or just being super organized. Okay, so what does this actually look like in practice? Let's break it down into 4 very distinct career paths. This is where you're going to start to see exactly where you might fit into this whole new world. First step, we have the strategist. Are you a big picture thinker? Someone who gets excited about business goals and managing projects? If that sounds like you, then this is your lane. Strategists are the ones who decide what to build with AI, and maybe more importantly, why. And just check out some of these roles. An AI product manager can pull in around $192,000 a year. And they're not coding, they are defining the entire vision for an AI product. AI consultants are out there guiding whole companies on their AI journey. You see, these jobs are all about communication, planning, and strategy. Next up, path number 2 is for the creator. This is for all the writers, designers, marketers, and video producers out there. You're not the one building the AI, you're using it as your new, incredibly powerful creative partner. So how are creatives making their mark? Well, you could be an AI content creator using tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, or an AI video producer working with amazing platforms like Runway ML. And then you have this brand new, super exciting role of a prompt designer, where your entire skill is about crafting the perfect instructions to get incredible results from an AI. Path number 3 is for the organizer. Now, if you're that person who is super detail-oriented, who just loves keeping everything running smoothly, this is for you. Anyone with a background in operations, admin, or project coordination needs to be paying close attention right now. These roles, and I'm not kidding, are the absolute backbone of any successful AI project. Data annotators are basically teachers for the AI. They label data so it can learn. Operations specialists handle all the logistics behind the scenes. And AI UX designers make sure the final product is actually easy and intuitive for people to use. And our final path is for the builder. Do you love to tinker and build solutions, but you really don't want to code? Then this is your path. Here, you'll be using powerful drag-and-drop tools to create some amazing automations. We're talking about platforms like Zapier, Make, and Bubble. As an AI automation specialist, you could be creating these powerful workflows that save businesses tons of time and money. Or maybe you're designing a chatbot for a website using something like Landbot. This is a massive opportunity, especially if you're a freelancer. So, we've just covered the 4 main paths. Now it's time to figure out which one is the perfect fit for you, based on the skills and the experience that you already bring to the table. Let's make this really simple. If you've got a background in business or management, path 1, the strategist, is for you. If you're a creative, a marketer, a designer, a writer, you belong in path 2. Coming from an operations or admin background, path 3 is your sweet spot. And for all the freelancers and builders out there, path 4 is your calling. Your existing skills are the perfect launchpad. Now, knowing your path is the first step, but let's get practical. Here is a clear 6-month action plan to take you from where you are today to getting hired in the AI industry. Okay, let's walk through this roadmap. Month 1 is all about building your AI literacy. Just play with the tools every single day, get comfortable, see what's possible. Month 2 is all about focus. You're going to pick a path and master one key tool. By month 3, you're building your first project, something tangible for your portfolio. By month 4, you've got 2 or 3 of those projects done. Then month 5 is where the rubber meets the road. Start freelancing, start applying for those jobs. And by month 6, you're going to niche down and scale up. This is a practical, step-by-step plan that you can actually follow to launch your career. So, are you ready to start your AI journey? Remember, success in this field isn't about learning to code. It's about leveraging your own unique talents. The real question is, how are you going to use AI to build your future? Hey, if this was helpful, do me a favor and subscribe for more practical explainers just like this one.